guys, Al Guyman, the Chunky Monkey Traveler. I'm here in Gloucester, Massachusetts. This is the area where they had the perfect storm back in 1991, where the fishing boat, the Adrian Gale, lost 6 members of its crew in a very bad storm. This is North Port City of Boston. Beautiful, beautiful ancient port, and well taken care of. Got a little drone footage. Enjoy the views. Might be splitting this video up into 2 parts because I'm going to take the trip up to Newburyport, Massachusetts, and then up to Salisbury, Hampton, Noble Light, York, and then work my way back down to Brown's Lobster Pond, and maybe have some dinner tonight there and show you what that's all about. But enjoy the videos. Thanks. Gloucester, Massachusetts. Look at this memorial. I know you really can't read it too good, but they're claiming that since 1623 of men lost at sea. They got a total of 5,368 men who were lost at sea, and nearly 1,000 ships. And this goes all the way back, look at this, that they can account it for, 1716. (1851). Over 5,300 sailors that lost their lives fishing. Amazing. 1885, 1894, 20th century here with 1901, 1917, and to this date, all the way up to 2001. Now these are the 6, I believe, that were lost on the Adrian Gale back in 1991 during that storm. Quite a monument.